Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The pound-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.9% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analysts' choices for today.
Wall Street main indexes were marginally higher and ended July higher on upbeat company earnings and hopes of a soft landing for a resilient US economy, while cooling inflation fuels bets of a rate hike pause. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, has won a license to operate in Dubai after meeting the preconditions since receiving a preparatory license in September 2022. This is step 3 of 4 to be fully regulated in the jurisdiction. Tesla set a record for deliveries in the first half of the year with about 889,000 EVs delivered through June the 30th. The company had already surprised the industry in the first quarter of 2023 as its Model Y sports utility vehicle became the world's best-selling car, with about 267,200 vehicles sold in the first 3 months of the year.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's RBA rate statement will be released at 04:30 GMT. The US ISM manufacturing PMI at 1400 hours GMT. Germany's unemployment change at 07:55 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision will be released at 04:30 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes at 23:50 GMT. The Dutch market manufacturing PMI at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.